Hello everyone, I have this controller, it's fully working, the only problem is that it doesn't charge. Apparently it's charging, but no matter how much I left it charging, once unplugged, it doesn't turn on. So for replacing the battery, I'm using a Phillips screwdriver and there are 4 screws I need to remove. Once all the screws are removed, I can disassemble the controller. Here I'm gentle because there is a ribbon cable. And here is the battery I need to replace. This is the dead battery. And here is the new one. I reconnect the ribbon cable. And now I put back all 4 screws. Now the battery is replaced and everything should be working just fine. Wish you a great day and see you in the next video.